Claudio from Carttitude and welcome back in our studio with a new video. Today I want to show you this Honda Civic Type R. It's a 2018 model, was fully protected with Xpel Stealth from day one. Was a conversion from gloss to stealth on this car. We maintained this car in the last 2 years with monthly maintenance washes, and now it's at Carttitude for annually refreshment. We did already multi-level of washing, PPF decontamination, full interior detail, top up the coatings on the Alcantara fabrics, dashboard, door cards, full interior. And the customer, he just upgrade these gloss black trims to the 2021 model. And now these trims don't have any PPF, and we need to install Xpel Ultimate Plus on these gloss black trims on front and on the rear bumper as well. But here, these strips will be with Stealth PPF. I will show you now a small part of our PPF installation process to understand exactly the standards that we have. We just coated the Xpel Stealth kit. Let's put some more light, yeah, to protect this area, but the standard kit will stop here. And we will have this edge empty. Even if I try to let the film down a little bit from here, I will have a gap here in this area and here in this area. This is why now I will take this film off, I will go to the DIP software, and I will start to manipulate the kit, to extend the kit and to wrap this edge, wrap on this side, and to be sure we have a full coverage on this high impact area kit. Even this one is a waste material. We assume this because our standards are above of, I don't know, the cost that we have to do a new kit. If you want your car to be fully protected in the small details and everything to be fully covered, yes, come to us and we have the right solutions for you. Today, this one already is, let's say, 80% completed and will be ready for collection, but the main project for today is this Porsche Boxster. It's a beautiful car. Porsche Boxster S from our partners from Ninemeister, was full front end protected years ago by another company. This left wing and the full front bumper was repainted by Ninemeister. They asked us to PPF protect the wing and the front bumper. And the main project today will be this Porsche. Let's go to see the process and I will come back later on. We start the PPF installation on the bumper. The wing is already done, everything coverage, edge wrapped, perfect. On this bumper, we just lay down the film, and I noticed that here in this area, the film is coming over. Here in this area, the kit is too short. Here in this area is not fitting well. I stopped the installation, I checked the DIP system from Xpel, and I checked this car is 2003 model. And this kit is 2003 model, but after I checked the 2004, 2005 models, was not good. When I go to 2001, 2000 model, there is the kit. And now, in this moment, I find that this car is 2003 model, but was backed up on 2000 model with some parts, including the bumper. The only options that we have at the moment is remove all the PPF, throw it in the bin, waste material, cut another kit, the right bumper that already I start to edit and manipulate the kit to extend here this area around and the edges inside, and we will start again the installation with a new bumper kit. As I told you before, this is the kit for the 2000 model. Where you see the green line is actually how the kit was before. The black line above is the extension that we did to be sure we cover everything how much is possible. Now, if I press F10, green lights disappear, and it's just the extension kit that I edited before. I'll go to the plotter, cut the bumper kit, and we will start again the installation. As you've seen in the process, guys, the left wing was installed with Xpel Ultimate Plus, the full front bumper, this trim in the middle. But look at the difference between our installation and this installation. It's a massive difference, but in the same time, our job was just to apply PPF on this area. I cannot do nothing where the PPF was already installed. But just look on this car. It's a 2003 model, but it's looking amazing, like a brand new car. And this yellow and black colors is matching our brand color. I love it. This is for today. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe below. Follow us on the social media, and I'm looking forward to see you soon on the next video. Bye bye.